So you pretty much have everything figured out with starting your t-shirt business, but there's still that one kind of like unanswered question that you need to find out, and that is, how long will your heat transfer vinyl, or more specifically your SupaColor transfer, last when it comes to washing and drying it? What is up, Define Squad? Welcome and welcome back. If you are not new here, it's your girl Alex at Defined by Alex, where we are defining our lives and building our dreams in that order. I hope you guys are staying safe and well, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video. So y'all, as y'all can see behind me, I have a setup because in today's video I'm going to show you how you're going to press a SupaColor transfer. Okay, because I got them on deck. Okay, I'm making it rain with the SupaColor transfers, and I'm going to also be showing you guys a real deal wash test using just my washer and dryer in my apartment, and to show you how well SupaColor transfers last when it comes to washing them. So let's get into it. All right guys, so just kind of switch angles, okay, because I wanted to show you just an up close like view of how well, number one, the SupaColor transfers apply to a t-shirt, and just again just gonna show you when I pop them in the washer and dryer how well they stand up. Okay, so I just have a blank t-shirt, nothing too fancy. Then I have my SupaColor here, which if you are curious on SupaColors and the sizes, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below for y'all. I give all of my transfers from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and they hook you up. Okay, so that's where I get them from. And then when it comes to just making sure they look right, they also have a really good guide to share with you guys on what size do you need for your wearables, which in this case it is a t-shirt. Okay, that's my wearable. Now I'm going to use my Mr. Pen T ruler. Okay, very obvious. And so I'm just going to make it symmetrical. Now I'm not going to wear this, you guys, or at least not right off the bat, but I'm just showing you again just how to lay it out, just the basics before I pop it into the dryer. So now that I know it's pretty even and it looks good, I'm now going to just press my heat press down on the transfer and let that just do its thing. So that way, of course, it's heating it up, it's adhering to the wearable, which is the t-shirt, and I'm going to show you guys just the process of taking it off. Okay, so you guys see I'm just taking it from the corner in the smooth and quick takeoff process. Okay, so that's how you apply SupaColor transfers if you are curious. It's a really fast process when you are taking it off, so just keep that in mind. Okay, but just to show y'all, this is what it looks like. Very nice and smooth. I love how Heat Transfer Warehouse really helped me with my vision as far as pretty much making sure that my design that I had made on Fiverr looked exactly how it needs to look. Okay, so I thought that was super cool. And I also love how these transfers, y'all, like if you really just need to know what they're about, this is how they come. Okay, so they just come in the sheet format, just one sheet. Okay, and then you pretty much have a really good fulfillment system because you can just grab a transfer and press it on your shirt and boom, you're done. So that's just more information on the transfers again if you guys are interested. But I'm going to go ahead now and pop this baby in the washer and the dryer, and I'm going to pick this back up and show you guys what it looks like after we've gone through the first wash test. Alright y'all, so I'm just going to pop this in my washer. This is just the only thing in my washer right now, and I'm okay with that. Okay, I know people are weird about only washing one thing and wasting water, but I'm okay with it. I'm just going to show you again how it stands in the washer, how it holds up, and in the dryer. So I'm just going to use a little detergent. Really want to give you guys a full review, and I'm just going to start a quick wash just to do something really simple, and then put it in the dryer when I'm done.
A few moments later.
All right friends, so I just grabbed this out of my washer, and just to show you guys how it looks, I mean everything is still intact. I am not seeing any lifting, nothing was tarnished. Okay, I mean, so as you can see here, this definitely passed the wash test, as I knew it would, y'all, but I just wanted y'all to see for yourselves. Okay, what you can do with SupaColor transfers and how long they last, how well they stay up and everything, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this into my dryer and I will be right back. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to share with you real quick that if you or you know someone who is needing help getting started with their t-shirt business, then my friend, I am here for you. I offer t-shirt consultation calls, you guys, okay? And it's just me and you, and we are sitting down and really getting in the depths of helping you understand how to start your t-shirt business, okay? So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, feel free to hit the link in my description box below, set up that call, and we're gonna get you started in the right direction. Now, let's get back to the video. All right, you guys, so I just got it out the dryer, and of course it's just wrinkled, so don't mind that, but you guys, you see this? You see how nothing is messed up? You see how everything is still intact? My camera focus is so sorry. But you guys see what I'm talking about. And I mean, again, if you're not sold by now, then I think I need to do a better job. So this is what it looks like. So we have done a full wash test, baby, and it looks great. I really love it. And this also shows you that if you want to use SupaColor transfers as your method to make your shirts, it passes the wash test. All right, Define Squad, so that is it for today's video on how SupaColor transfers from Heat Transfer Warehouse holds up for a wash and dry test. As you guys saw, it took minimal effort, okay, to wash these. Nothing happened wrong. Everything is still intact. And again, I hope you guys are sold on really using this method to start your t-shirt business, because if you guys didn't know, the really true gem on SupaColor transfers is being able not to weed anything, okay? So if that is you, if you're looking to kind of like change your fulfillment process with your t-shirt business, then I highly recommend that you start using SupaColor transfers, okay? Feel free to click the link in my description box below so you can get you your own access, your own, you know, stash of transfers to get your business started. But as always, y'all, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first, and I will be back in my next video. Bye, y'all.